Your lesson essential question is how can you use a number line to help you find a number that is greater or less than a given number? So we're going to be looking at some number lines. And we'll be talking about how to identify greater than and less than using a number line. You remember a number line looks like this, and it shows numbers in order from smallest to greatest. They might count by ones, they might count by fives or tens or 20s or hundreds, but it's always going to go from smallest to greatest. So you can write numbers that are greater than or less than another number using the number line. So let's compare 324 and 325. So here's 324, here's 325. 324 comes first, so I know that that's the smaller number. 325 comes after it, so that's the greater number. So 324 is less than 325. Let's try another one. 327. Let's find 327. We're also comparing that one to 325. 327 comes after, so I know that it's greater than 325. So 325 is greater than 324, but it's less than 327. So again, the numbers go in order. We know that it's greater than if it's ahead of the number that you're comparing it to.